I put out hot water today. Excuse me, I'm trying to speak. I put out hot water today, and Bozo got in it and went crazy, of course, because it's a drinking dish. He had to get in it and bathe. Now he's covered nice. So we got a blizzard coming. And rather than let this go as normal course, I'm going to bring it in and put a hairdryer on him. Hates the thought of that, he does. Yeah, hates coming in the house. Ow! Man, you're some rough on your mother. Anyways, we're prepping for the blizzard. 20 to 30 centimeters of snow. I guess someone's going to get locked in the barn.